am the developer of Zap Calendar. Zap Calendar is an advanced calendar application for the Joomla content management system. In this video, I will be demonstrating the features of the Upcoming Events module. Now, the Upcoming Events module displays events that will be occurring soon, or you can also display events that have just recently occurred. You can find more information about Zap Calendar and more videos like this one at the website zapcalendar.com. And you can find more information about Joomla at joomla.org. So let's go ahead and start the demonstration. We will go to the website demo.zapcalendar.com, and you'll see here we have an Upcoming Events module on the right side of the page here. It is showing 5 events that are upcoming, and we also have a Upcoming Events page. It shows you the various upcoming event styles. We actually have 9 styles that you can choose from for upcoming events. The default style comes with every version, including the light version. Plus we have additional display options as well for the Upcoming Events module. Now, I'm running Zap Calendar using Joomla 3.4, which has the new option where you can edit the module settings from the front end. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to go ahead and select the round display option here. We'll go ahead and edit that, and we are going to go to the Options tab here. We'll have the specific settings for the Upcoming Events module. You'll select a calendar that's defined in the back end from the Calendar Manager. And you would also select how many events you'd like to display and the number of days, weeks, or months in the future you want to display them. So in this demonstration site, I have I want to display 3 events for up to 3 months ahead of time. So I have months here, and this 3 means it's going to look 3 months into the future, and it's going to display the next 3 months, the next 3 events. Now, the reason I have it going out so far in the future is that I always would like to display 3 events in this module, so I'm just ensuring that I'll have enough events to display that. But you can go less than that. You can say I would like to display all the events in the next 7 days, and if you put this at 0, it'll show you as many events that occur in that span of time. But we're going to keep it the way it is here with 3 months and 3 events. The upcoming start, you can either start today or starting now. This is useful if you have meetings that are occurring on the current day. Let's say if the event's already occurred, you may not want to display that event. Even though it's happening today, it's already occurred. So in that case, you may want to select starting now instead of starting today. You have the option of showing the end time. By default, it shows you the starting time for a meeting time, but you may wish to also show the end time as well. Show date, that might be useful if you have a multi-day event and you like to show the ending date as well. You may want to display that as well. Date format, that uses a PHP date formatting rules, and you'll find more information about that in the support article for the Upcoming Events module. These footer options allows you to put text at the bottom of the module, either as a description, or you can make it a link by putting the URL in this footer URL, and that will basically give you a link at the bottom of your module. Say, for example, you want to have a link to the full calendar, you can do that using these options. And finally, there's a module class suffix, which works in similar to this setting in other modules, but we also have added some new features where you can actually customize the upcoming events module with this field. You can add some attributes here, like we're going to, let's say for example, we use large, shadow, border, and upper. Those are the 4 options that we have to customize the event in this module. Large will make a larger icon. Shadow puts a shadow behind the icon, the counter icon, which gives it kind of like a 3D effect. The border will display a border around the icon, and upper will convert the month title to uppercase letters. So we're going to go ahead and select all those options, and then we're going to hit save. And you'll see now here is our round module here, and you can see that it is now larger. You can see the shadow behind the icon, the border, you can see a border here, and the uppercase letters. That looks pretty good. Let's go back to the settings again. And let's try a different display format. We'll use plain color, which uses the color of the category as opposed to the color of the theme. So we'll do that. And one other option that we have as well is this upcoming number can be positive or negative. If you would make it negative, that will display events that have just recently occurred. So instead of looking into the future, it's going to look in the past and display recently occurred events. I've used this for displaying recent sports games. You can put the games that have recently occurred and perhaps the score of the game in the title, and that's one way to use this this feature. But we're just going to leave it like it is for now. And we'll go ahead and save and close. And there is our plain colored icon. So that about wraps up this demonstration. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to visit zapcalendar.com for more information and see other videos. And in addition to the upcoming events module, there are dozens of add-ons available to enhance Zap Calendar, including add-ons for mapping, weather, social media, and many more. Again, my name is Dan Cogliano, and thank you for watching.